Look, it's raining. I can't drive, it's raining. Are you gonna leave now? Huh? Are you going to leave? Who's here? Dad is here. Humba.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Hi guys, good morning. Time check is 9:54 in the morning, and it's January 7th. Tommy left. I dropped him to. Anyway, I'm gonna sit down. I just got back. I dropped him to train station because he decided to take a train today because he's going to a different site of job. And yeah, so I don't know guys, I told you that I'm going to the other house. I'm not sure anymore. You will know later what I decide, but yep. So right now, what do you want? What do you want in my life? What do you want in my life? You're too cute now, you're too cute. So we're going to do a Q&A next week because he has a Friday off, or maybe Wednesday, but I want to do it in the other house. So but yeah, we're gonna do a Q&A next week. Yeah, the nose strips, he's willing to do that also, so we can do that together, the same thing, maybe probably the same day after Q&A. I told God bless you, boy. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Something misty. Look, oh, you're so smart. You understand? Let's go, right? Let's go. Okay. Just get out from the shower, guys, and wearing something. Yeah, I wear my sweater. No explanation. You know already. I always repeat my sweater. Did my laundry, clean the bathroom, and that's it. Doing laundry right now and ready to edit some videos, and somebody's staring at me because I'm talking. Amazing. Hi guys, I'm going to go grocery guys. Oh, I have to change the battery, I forgot. Punta lang ako ng grocery, mamili ng, I have to buy some pasta, parsley, and yeah, for dinner I'm gonna get something, and I'll see you in the car. Punta lang ako ng grocery guys para may makakain kami. I don't know if I can put you guys over there. I can't, but it doesn't matter. The car is in the other side. Tommy is not using. I told you already, but yeah. So I'm going, and I'm not gonna get a lot guys. I'm just gonna get what we need for dinner, like, you know, I just really need a pasta because I'm make some pasta tonight, and parsley, and maybe I can get also for tonight, for tomorrow's dinner. And yeah, I don't vlog a lot guys, it's raining. I feel so stressed guys. Tommy and I is stressed about something. Anyway guys, I have to go, that I can go back here and start cooking early. Anyway, my sister-in-law, I heard that she is coming here today, so let's see what's going on. It's raining guys. Look, it's raining. I can't drive, it's raining. No, I'm just kidding. So now let's sway. And hi guys, good afternoon. It's 2:30 already in the afternoon, and yeah, and my sister-in-law is here. And what else is happening? We're trying to, yeah, it's just kind of not vlogging the whole morning because she's here and I spend time with her. And also I picked my mother-in-law up, so hold on, she's outside. Hold on guys, hold on. She went outside, but she's not here, so I don't know what's going on. Hold on. Oh, there's a lot of birds guys, look. Birdie, 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 birdie. Look, there's a lot of birds here. There's a lot of birds. Look, there's a lot of birds. Ah, they're flying. They're flying. This guy is trying to pick up the white car that it's been in the driveway, and he can't even find his way to come here. So my sister-in-law is talking to him all the way, and she's outside. But anyway, guys, good afternoon. I'm sorry I late vlog. I haven't edited a video yet, so it's gonna be sucks for me later on because I'm trying to upload every day. Yeah? Okay. Okay. So he's here. Okay, let's go. That's the one's going to pick up the car, and I see a lot of cars that I see the blue one.
Oh, I don't need. Okay. So you're gauge in time frames.
But I'm not I'm not staring at it like I'm here down here. I'm just over there.
Oh, okay.
Are you gonna leave now?
Huh?
Are you going to leave? Shortly. No, you're not gonna watch this car.
Oh,
Bye
yeah,
bye.
I'm not going anywhere.
Bye bye. It's 4:44 already. My sister-in-law left. Anyway, I'm editing the video. It's gonna be late video today, and that's I don't know what the title, but yeah, I'm still editing. I just started, and I'm cooking adobo. I will show you. It's sad that it's always kinda sad when my sister-in-law left because she is fun to be with all the time, and I enjoy her company, and every time she come here I like it. And then every time she left, it kind of sad, like my mother leave me. It's just the same thing. Anyway, guys, I'm just closing all the windows so that no one can see me. Dada's here. Go get him. You're happy. You're happy when I do lovey-dovey with you. I love you. Get down now, eh? Mama loves you. Get down, baby. No, get down. Hi guys, Tommy is here. Tommy's here. Tommy's here. And we're gonna have dinner, and I made some humba, guys, with egg. Look. Humba with egg. And you know what, guys, this is what I don't like cooking. Everybody's talking on the phone and doesn't want to eat, and with the food is cooking, and then you really have to reheat. Like, all they do is come here and eat, but everybody's in the phone. Like, I'm cooking, rushing and finishing it that they can eat, and then suddenly everyone is like this. Let the food keep waiting. Hi guys, I'm outside right now, and Tommy, it's 8 o'clock something already, guys, but look what he does, cleaning his new car. That's what the thing when it's new. When few months later on, this car is not clean. Yeah, I don't even clean mine. You never give me a cleaner. You only keep it for yourself.
All kinds of cleaners.
Huh?
They give you all kinds of cleaners.
No, it's in the other house.
Yeah, well, that's why you said you were going to clean it.
What? Did you try to get rid of the salt?
What?
Did you try to get rid of the salt?
Yeah.
He went to a car wash before coming back home from work, so that's why. And he just continue cleaning it because he says he's so blue kind of wax color. They don't wash it, right?
Dry it right, and then you get the wax off it, and it sprays all over the place.
So you see a blue really?
Caked up on the windows, so I wash the windows and I just smear it.
Really? So this is not really a good cleaner over there. Oh, what is that? How do you call that? Not cleaner. Car wash. Wow, I'm freezing here. Time it's 9:26 in the evening and I'm uploading the video late. I'm going to end this vlog, guys. Thank you all guys so much for watching. I haven't vlogged a lot today. I probably just mix everything. I'll put it together. Anyway guys, bye. Good night guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah, uploading stuff and watching Big Bang Theory also. Night baby. Night. Good night.
No one compares to stand alone.